Good, happy Sunday evening, April 29, 2020. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening edition of the Riley King Newscast, right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. We are in a different area. We change things around with our studio today, and we're broadcasting from a different perspective. Hopefully you would like this new background we have for you. So let's begin with this evening broadcast. It is Sunday, April 29, 2020. First up, COVID-19 in New Hampshire, what you need to know. Let's take a look. And here's that COVID-19 in New Hampshire, what you need to know. There are 1,342 number of people in New Hampshire who have tested positive for COVID-19. 197 number of people in the United States who have tested positive. 38 number of deaths from COVID-19 in New Hampshire. 192 number of people who have been hospitalized with COVID-19 in New Hampshire, and 38,664 number of deaths from COVID-19 in the United States. This map of New Hampshire right here shows you where the cases of COVID-19 are in towns and cities of New Hampshire. Manchester, 241 cases of COVID-19. In this chart/graph right here, new cases each day. In the purple, daily new COVID-19 cases. In the orange, new hospitalizations. And in the red are the deaths. Your common symptoms: fever, cough, and difficult breathing. How it spreads. And prevention tips. Spring turkey hunting in New Hampshire will open as planned with precautions. New Hampshire's spring turkey hunting season will open with some recommended precautions to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, the State Fish and Game Department said. The youth turkey hunt will take place the weekend of Saturday, April 25th and Sunday, April 26th. The spring hunt will open on May 1st and run through May 31st. Hunting locally is recommended, and hunters should opt for day trips rather than traveling to camp, the department said. Hunters should venture out alone or with immediate family members from the same household only. Hunters must also be aware of the increased number of people recreating in the outdoors this spring. It is more important than ever to be absolutely sure of your target and what lies beyond it. The department said in a news release, hunters are strongly encouraged to maximize pre-season scouting and be prepared with backup locations if their desired spot is busy with other outdoor enthusiasts during the spring turkey hunting season. Hunters are encouraged to register their birds online. Last year, spring hunting harvested 5,092 birds. Detailed information regarding the 2020 spring and fall turkey season is available at www.wildlife.state.nh.us/hunting/turkey.html. 146 new coronavirus deaths in Massachusetts. More than 1,700 new cases in state. The Massachusetts Department of Public Health confirmed 146 new COVID-19 related deaths across the state Sunday, bringing the state's total to 1,706. Maine CDC reports 2 more coronavirus-related deaths, 20 new cases. The Maine Center for Disease Control and Prevention reported 2 new coronavirus-related deaths on Sunday. A total of 34 Mainers have now died of the virus. The 2 new deaths reported on Sunday were both in Cumberland County, a man in his 60s and a man in his 70s, the Maine CDC said. Multiple victims in Canada shooting by suspect who dressed as police officer, officials say. There were several victims in the shooting, according to police. Following a manhunt, Canadian police have arrested a suspect in a Nova Scotia shooting after multiple victims were found. The suspect, 51, was taken into custody on Sunday after a pursuit throughout the Canadian province of Royal Canadian Mounted Police, RCMP, said. Coronavirus updates. Como says New York passed the high point but not ready to reopen. It's no time to get cocky. It's no time to get argument, Como said. More than 2.3 million people have been diagnosed with the novel coronavirus worldwide as the spread of the virus continues. The global coronavirus death toll stands at more than 163,000 according to data compiled by the Center for Systems Science and Engineering at Johns Hopkins University. The actual numbers, however, are believed to be much higher. Many cities and states have begun continuing probable death caused by COVID-19, including New York City, the epicenter for the disease in the United States. The U.S. has more cases and deaths than any other country in the world, with at least 742,000 and 39,291, respectively. Today's biggest developments. U.S. cases surpass 700,000. New Jersey reports 1,530 deaths at long-term care facilities. Total deaths in Massachusetts exceed 1,500. And that does it for this Sunday evening edition of the Riley King Newscast right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Sunday evening. Thank you for watching this evening broadcast, and I hope you like our new studio that we have. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for another newscast. And I'll have a news report coming up in a little bit. Good night and bye.